Ho ho ho, Merry Hackmas. This is day 5 of the Advent of Cyber 2023 challenge on TryHackMe. We've looked at machine learning, log analysis, brute forcing. Today we're going to get into reverse engineering, a Christmas discovery, tapes of Yuletide past. The backup tapes have finally been recovered after the team successfully hacked the server room door. However, as fate would have it, the internal tool for recovering the backups can't seem to be read. While poring over the tool's documentation, you discover that an old version of this tool can troubleshoot problems with the backup, but the problem is that this version only runs on DOS. Thankfully, tucked away in the back of the IT room, covered in cobwebs, sits an old yellowing computer, complete with the CRT monitor and a keyboard. With the jab of the power button, the machine beeps back to life, and you are greeted with the DOS prompt. Frosto, who is with you in the room, hears the beep and heads straight over to the machine. The snowman positions himself in front of it giddily. I haven't used these things in a long time, he says, grinning. He hovers in, hands on keyboard ready to type, but he hesitates. He lifts his newly installed mechanical arm, looks at the fat and stubby metallic fingers, and sighs. You take the helm, he says, looking at you smiling but looking embarrassed. I'll guide you. You insert a copy of the backup tapes into the machine and starts exploring. So, today's learning objectives. We're going to experience how to navigate an unfamiliar legacy system. Well, for me, I grew up on this. We're going to learn about DOS and its connection to its contemporary, the Windows command prompt. We're going to discover the significance of file signatures and magic bytes in data recovery and file system analysis. Here we have an overview of what DOS is. Pretty much DOS was Windows before Windows had the pretty pictures and icons and stuff. It was DOS. Then they started building graphical user interfaces and icons, and you could take mouse and click on icons to open programs and navigate file or hierarchies and things. So we're going to connect to the machine, which we already done. We're going to start the virtual machine. That's done. Once the machine is fully booted up, I'm going to share my screen. And so once the machine is fully booted up, double click the MS NOS. Oh, that looks beautiful. Right. Remember, greed is good, but sharing joy is better. Huh. That's interesting. Maintained by the Greedster, our insider threat, former CTO of this year's storyline. Okay. We have an MS-DOS cheat sheet. So you use CD to change the directory. You stir to list all the files and directories in the current directory. Type displays the contents. CLS clears the screen. Help provides information, and edit opens the MS-DOS editor. We'll go through this real quick. So CLS clears the screen. There lists the directory and the contents. These things that say there, bottom or subfolders. and the actual files have file sizes by them. We'll type plan.txt. We can change the directory, so we could do um, right. We can go back using CD in two periods. And we can type help, and that'll give us a list of commands we can run. Traveling back in time. Your goal is to restore the backup file found in the root directory using the tool found in the tools folder backup. Navigate to this directory and run a command. Alright, so we're going to navigate. Tools. I typed in ls, but ls is a Linux command, which is also in MS-DOS and command prompt, which serves the same functions loosely as the dir command. That wasn't part of today's challenge. I typed in ls just because I switch back and forth between command prompt, PowerShell, Linux often. Alright, so there. So we'll do Bun Master. AC 23. And it tells us the file could not be read, error, and file signature. Check troubleshooting notes and readme.txt. All right. So let's see what readme.txt says. Let's use the command that it wants us to use. It wants us to use the type command. Okay. The type command is similar to the cat command if you watched my video from yesterday. Oh, well. So it also says you can use the edit command. Okay. So it wants us to scroll down to troubleshooting, which looks like we've done. Says we have issues with the file signature. Hit Option F. I'm going to hit Option F because I'm on the Mac right now, but you hit Alt F if you're using Windows. And we're going to escape. So Alt F. Exit. Now, be forewarned in this environment, you cannot really use your mouse. You're going to have to use the good old trusty keyboard. File signatures. File signatures, commonly known as magic bytes or specific byte sequences at the beginning of a file that identify and verify its contents, type, and format. These bytes often have corresponding ASCII characters, allowing for easy human readability when expected. The identification process helps software applications quickly determine whether a file is in a format they can handle, aiding operation functionality and security measures. In cybersecurity, file signatures are crucial for identifying file types and formats. You'll encounter them in malware analysis, incident response, network traffic inspection, web security checks, and forensics. Knowing how to work with these magic bytes can help you quickly identify malicious or suspicious activity and choose the right tools for deeper analysis. Here are a list of common files and their magic bytes. So, at the beginning of a file, often you'll see these sequences of things. And normally, when you see, for example, this one, 47494638, you know it's a GIF image file. Or if you see 494433, it's probably an MP3 audio file. So let's see this in action by creating our own docs executable. We're going to navigate the C drive dev hello. C drive dev hello. There. You'll see the hello.c. Open it with Borland Turbo C using TC Hello C. All right. This is a simple Hello World program. So if we compile this and run it, it should just print Hello World on the screen. So we're going to hit Alt C on Windows, Option C on Mac. Okay. That's not what I wanted to do. It's not letting me hit Option C for some reason. Okay. Come on now. You doing that? It's not liking me. Let's try to refresh. It is very curious. Uh, all right, we'll just use F10. If you look down in the bottom right, it says F10. That's the menu. So we'll just hit up the menu and tab over since it looks like the shortcut. Command Alt C is not working, which is weird because Alt F worked for me a minute ago. Um, Going to compile, build all. Okay, so it says it compiled. So let's see if how that works. No, option F, Alt F. Alright. Oh, looks like F10 works out there. So we'll do that and we'll quit. Save, yes. Alright. So if we do that, we have a couple new files here. You'll see hello.exe. That's the thing we created. It wants us to edit hello cx exe. All right. So it's pointing out that the first two characters here are MZ. MZ. These are magic bytes. In MZ, magic bytes signals that it's a Windows or DOS executable file. So it wants us to open AC 2023 that back. Okay. So Alt F or Option F worked for me perfectly fine in the edit program, just not in the Borland some C editor. So, all right. So here the magic characters are XX, the magic bytes. So bonemaster.exe expects the magic bytes to be 4134. You can convert these using the online ASCII converter. All right. So let's do this. Let's copy the link address. Let's pull up the attack box, which I already started. Paste it in, and we'll open the trusty Firefox. Paste and go. So 4143. 4143 in hex. It's AC. And we had XX. So it's expecting AC, but instead we have XX. So it looks like it wants us to replace the XX with AC and then save the file and run the bum master. Not the bum master. It's only one M here. The BU master. Again. Alright. So let's replace that with AC. And we're going to file. We'll save. And exit. And if we hit the up arrow key, we need the CD to the directory where the what directory was the bum master, the BU master in. Thought it was in tools. Was it notes or dev? Notes. Uh, notes. Oh, geez, genius. I'd already checked that. Uh, tools and dev. Uh, let's check the third backup. Okay, it's tools backup. So let's CD into there. Hit the arrow. We could have typed it in at that point because I typed in a bunch of commands. And there we go. We got the flag. You successfully repaired the magic bytes in the backup file, enabling the backup master 3000 program to restore the backup properly. With this restore backup, Miss Kitty and her team can fully restore the facility system and mount a robust defense against the ongoing attacks. Good job, explains Frosto, patting you on your back. He pulls the backup tape out the computer and gives it to another elf. Give this to McSkitty stat. As the unsuspected elf hurries out the room, the giant snowman turns around and hunches beside you. Since we already have the computer turned on, let's see what's in here. What's in that games directory over there? Out of curiosity, let's see what's in that games directory. Uh, I keep typing the list out of habit. Chess 2, Rogue, Troll, how to play. Let's uh, uh, press Shift Q to quit. Chess. All right, so this is how to exit the games. Okay. I wonder if there's like really functional games here. Like white, two. that. All right. All right. Let's answer the questions. CD to tools. How large is the backup file? So for that, we're gonna do dir cd. What is the name of the backup program? You master exe. Uh-oh. Um, read me. Backup master 3000. Back up master 3000. What should the correct bytes be in the signature? 41, 43. Correct. All right. Let's exit out of here. Okay. Unfortunately, I cannot scroll up. Master. Yes. Oh gosh. Font is killing me. Just close this, open it back up. That should fix the font. CLS. Third. AC. Alright. Back up. Tools back up. Back up. C drive. AC. There we go. TryHackMe. 0LD. 00L underscore C00L underscore D. Old, old school cool dudes. All right. And it looks like there's a other room that you can explore if you want to learn more about assembly and reverse engineering. It's got some cool tasks in here. And that's it. That is day 5 of the Advent of Cyber 2023 challenge. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this was beneficial. If it was, please like, Share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And have a great evening. And I'll catch you tomorrow.